Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Abbott AFINION HbA1c reagent kit. So as you can see, this is the top and this is the front view of the AFINION HbA1c kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is from Abbott AFINION HbA1c. You can see that is need to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see that is the reason why we have kept it in a gel pack. And you can see this is a 15 test kit, a C certified IVD product. And at the back side of the kit you can see the catalog number 1116795. Then you have the manufacturing and the expiry date. You can see it has a standard expiry of 2 years, and we have the multi language assay for it. Then we have the QR code and the certification ID, and this is the other side of the kit. So let me show you the back side. And so as you can see on the top, you can see this is the hemoglobin A1c test kit. So this is the professional near patient testing and laboratory use, and you can see this is the manufacturing address, manufactured in Norway from Abbott Diagnostic technology. Okay, let me open this kit for you. So as you can see, this is a little different in opening. So as you have to invert the kit and then open the reagent. So as you can see, this is the AFINION HbA1c kit. So as you can see here, there is a instruction for use, the brochure for it. You can see this is the multi-language brochure which describes how to use the analyzer. Then we have the reagent kits. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is the Abbott AFINION HbA1c analyzer. As you can see, there are 15 test cartridges present. It's a IVD C certified product, and you can see it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The expiry is it's a standard expiry of 2 years. You can see it here. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Abbott AFINION HbA1c kit. So as you can see, the entire kit contains an IFU brochure. Then we have the AFINION HbA1c test cartridges of 15 in number. So this is the entire unboxing of Abbott AFINION HbA1c. Thank you.